Welcome to the Spock dashboard. Think of this as your control center for Spock. If there's ever anything you need to change, whether it's your current hierarchy, leaf types, or something else, you can quickly do it here. Let's kick things off by taking a look at our leaf types. Just click on Settings and we can get started. Here you can see a list of leaf types. Feel free to make any necessary changes to make them fit your unique requirements. Let's try it together. Choose a leaf type. If a leaf is active, it means that the leaf is currently in use. You can also use the name section to rename any of your leaves. If you tick approval is required, approval from you or a team lead will be needed whenever members request this leave. Spock gives you the option to make someone a general manager or a team manager. Both of them can approve leave requests. For each leave request, Spock automatically selects someone to ask for approval based on your organization's structure. The Has Allowance section shows you how many days a team member can spend on different leaves during the year. If you allow allowance overrun, members can go into a negative balance. Carryover is one of our newest features. It allows team members to save days from this year's balance for next year. Let's say a member has 20 days of vacation per year and used 16 of those in 2021. Using Carryover would allow them to take those 4 extra days over to 2022, giving them a total of 24 days for vacationing this year. You can edit your Carryover policy using the drop-down menu here, choosing either the member's remaining count or a limited count set by you. Let's say you've chosen a limited count and only allow them to take 7 days over to next year. If you choose, you can also set when this carryover expires. Let's say after a month. Once you've finished editing, simply click Save and we'll be ready to move on to the next step. Click on Users so we can adjust your team roles. On this screen, you can see all of the team members imported from Slack. The owners have been given a special purple label. Right next to that, you see the Use Spock column. In this column, you can tick the box if you want the member to use the app. Guest users are not selected by default, but do keep in mind that members who use Spock will be included in your billing as soon as your trial ends. Now we get to the more important roles. The general manager can approve all leaves, set up teams, and edit leave policies. He can also access all reports. It is one of the most important roles available. After that, we've got the administrator. The administrator is essentially a service admin who manages users, accounts, and settings. Please assign members their roles and then we'll be ready to continue. In the Holidays section, you can select a country for your calendar holidays. These will grant leaves automatically. Head on over to Import Holidays and select the country of your choice from this drop-down menu, and then select the year. If someone has a vacation on the same day as a public holiday, it will not take away from their available balance. Once you've got that set up, simply hit Import and you'll see your new list of calendar holidays. Great! Spock is ready to go. We can briefly go through a couple of extra settings. Click on Working Days to select which days count for your company. You can also head on over to Policies to figure out any outstanding settings. When you're done with that, click Save. Please make sure you keep your billing information up to date. This can be found in the Account section right here and is important for our ability to communicate with you. Thanks for joining us for Getting Started with Spock. This series gives you all the info you need to use our app. In future, we may look at more advanced setups on this YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe and give it a look. For now, see you around.